Hi there, this is Kyle Marshall. I'm doing a bike check. Alright, I got a We the People 2008 arcade. Got white GT grips on them. You can see the name. Got We the People handlebars. I painted them red. They were purple. I got Odyssey brake lines. Mostly everybody laughs at me because I got brakes. It's not a big deal. I like using them. I can stop faster and stuff, especially when people run in front of me at the bike park. Especially those fucking scootering kids. It's We the People frame arcade, as I said before. And it's pretty light. The whole bike weighs about 22 pounds. I got Eastern sprocket, the We the People crank, and Odyssey pedals. I painted them too. They're kind of beat up. Got La Casa rims. Casa, I bought them from Ideal Bikes in Belleville. And got a pivotal seat. It's also We the People. You can see the name design on it. Can't really see it because it's black. That's about it. Oh, my stem. My stem's a We the People arcade. And that's about it, I guess. 25:9 ratio too. Alright, thanks for watching.